This is case study A. We're going to be talking about changing air flow rate from 300 to 350. So right now we have 2218 and we will see if there is any effect if we add more air. So I want you to guess if we are going to increase or decrease the temperature of the stack. So maybe the straightforward answer might be a yes, because we're going to have more oxygen to burn the methane left over. Remember that methane has a leftover of 6%. So maybe the addition of oxygen will increase the combustion and therefore increases the heat, which means that temperature will increase. The other one that we know is that oxygen is not alone. We also have nitrogen, and those must be heated. So let's see what happens. I need to run the simulation, and now let's verify the temperature of the stack. 2129. So this is a decrease. 2218. Now we have 2129. So almost about 90 Celsius because we increased the flow rate. So that's kind of interesting how the flow rate was changing. Let me save this, and very important guys, that this was case study A, and I want you to verify what will be the optimal flow rate. There must be something between 300 and 350 in order to ensure that we are burning all the methane. Still, we are not decreasing the temperature that much.